Hello, this is Professor Hören speaking to you about LDE, Law of the Digital Economy. I want to make a short presentation in showing how you can search for information on the web. So I start with my presentation, which is called Searching for Legal Information. Several of you might get problems in writing the essay and they don't know how they can get all the information needed. Typically, you have a good library at home, a law library at your faculty, at your university, but some of you don't have access to expensive databases and so on. So I want to introduce you how you can do it. Legal information is crucial for students, academics, and professionals, especially in the light of the essays for LDE. Additionally, it supports you on a day-to-day basis in case studies and academic writing. There are some databases which are sold commercially. They offer extensive high-level legal materials. If you see that homepage, the link which you see has to be used as a whole link. If you go to the website of the University of Münster, you see several high-level databases. Important is, of course, Beck Online. That's the biggest commercial offer we have in Germany for legal information valuable for lawyers. Additionally, we have Juris. So that's a good database for finding especially law German courts and the decisions. We have as well Westlaw and LexisNexis. That's offered in Münster as well. We can use it. But that's expensive. That's a disadvantage. We have certain free databases which provides open access information. I would highly recommend to you SSRN. That's a free database for finding new discussions in legal theory and doctrine, especially in information law. It's a preprint server. There you find the papers which will be published 2 years later by a journal. So you can put a paper on this preprint server for free and you start a discussion with your colleagues. So please use SSRN. Another open access legal information is Google Scholar, very good service by Google. There you find a lot of academic articles, case law, and journals. Some are free, some need to be paid, but you get an overview of everything which is published for a topic. Let me mention additionally AI. Because you are writing about AI, then you need to start your search for legal information with AI. So you can use ChatGPT. I would recommend it if you have a chance to get access to ChatGPT 4.0. That's perfect. Additionally, you can use Claude. That's a service provided by a German company, Anthropic. That's as well a good service for finding quick information. Under ChatGPT 4.0, you will find an additional tool which was made by us in Münster. It's called the Rechtsmentor, the legal mentor. There you can check, is your article, your essay good? Have you discovered all the materials which may need to be used? Are you citing in a good way? So that's very helpful. We'll use the race mentor to have a first check of your essays, so you use it as well. In every way, either database or AI, you need to have a clear definition of your research topic. So try not to be too short in answering questions to ChatGPT. Formulate a precise question for an AI database. Use keywords and Boolean operators like and or not. Please evaluate the credibility of the sources and check, of course, the jurisdiction. Sometimes ChatGPT is answering questions based on American law, but we need to find a solution, as for instance, on German law. In maximizing your research efficiency, start broad, then become more and more detailed. So you are trying to narrow the search in order to find advanced search features. Keep systematic records. ChatGPT is storing all your questions and the answers. Please have a look back what you asked in order to decide, have you done a good way to make it. You can use Citation Manager. We have provided you with a list of ways how to handle citation. So please use our paper on the form in which the essays need to be written. Summary, please combine commercial and free databases. Search not only one question, but search systematically and verify and cite the sources properly. If you have questions, please do not hesitate to answer the questions to me. I will be happy and honored to help you with your essays. That's all for this video. Thank you for listening. I hope my short considerations are valuable for you. Good luck.